hek da amisan meeting gaune prime minister meeting gaune akoi khang de nate khangai internal information ti pat moi whatsapp de lakne ba adu ke dama da akoi si mujik praja si am ware maitai wisno naga wisno asi ki metak sida koi so maina politicians bo moi gi interest moi gi greed moi gi self interest boina politics sanar di arroi manipur sina koi 2 MPs Lok Sabha da o Rajya Sabha da ma piru 3 MPs akoi pina center da center de si figure na moi di dum chaliye tau sabi de ba extreme corner of Manipur located near Myanmar and what is the use of giving serious importance to Manipur state for their stability haina khana leba hana irang to 2023 after 2023 conflict Amit Shah na parliament so haibne man moina si CM ama si ai wata te dum phat change over se mo ama hape ilai le dum decision law le re akoi gi stability akoi gi development akoi gi rights indigenous rights asi busi tau krisu sabi dre boji ke matam se ado ke mata I think last and finally the power is in the people's hand. Yes. I think it's high time that our indigenous community from the hills from the valley Chingdala is no Tampak is no akoi si people's movement led by the youth revolution ama chatridi arroi it's we are all the fed up of this system haibitare 100 years past corruption ne instability of government ne asina koi waman gre to get the people's movement led by the youth si koi punna discuss tawre se how is it
yes
that is labya tele gre
yes
ko asi jai thamni
jam makha da adum jada question ta laksa gi hojik kogi state lengang na kogi khulai sing lokun na bagi hai ki matam da khulai si kadai kadai de lai bagi ko losin laga tham gi khulai sing ai bani adu hojik te form na singi ma form sing de mi hat pa de season ra labani lokhat ka dori khulai si kadai de lai ri ge si miam na kogi numai ka li ma form si de form lai de hai bo wa form ni phongdong dari sing matang de kamai kogi same wa form se
adu ke ma kogi state CM lai Govindas na home minister puriye law and order masini hojik si time limited dum 15 days when a pung tok re adu morning da numai dum han bidi web ko hoi adu bu sophisticated weapon ngasi pau ta ba this 50 narcotic terrorists of cookies with sophisticated weapon farmers sing bo hat libisi
yes
adu akoi state with DGP lai na 50 to 80,000 plus for security lai muisti kri responsibility like no kadai da employed of no
yes
Kotak the 24 maka da wisik si ada langkang da jaga da chak katabune pompi operation hauro
yes
moi khang na intelligence le ako in high dibida adu complaint che hotel ga moi bodu wisik hada miani si gra mimri sokpasi miani si gra miani so wisik rims da yaw gra wana airlift tawduna adu chalaga wisik akoi si public si dum update law lai se ta se state government na kri pungto ga wisik DGP na kri pungto ga moi su asumana TV drugs no openly public bu update taus no ko law and order maintenance authority bu adu DGP the state laws no adu no mai to chal party way they are just violating SU agreement also in SU agreement it is to written that they should openly go and fire the farmers not wrong
right they're also farmer
that's true innocent I think they have to take a step let's wait and see we state the Iran hik the talk with the DGP su lere anaba ma ba point out gre
yes
yam sing na experience leba hana experience laura ga hujik koi gi irang marak da laklaga jana security sing bu direction pi duna terrorist hai bisi mothong ngai moi taw bi hai taw ge redi adu ko na genta da bisi su gi maka da innocent moi bu freely sophisticated weapon adum lau chabi bi dum kap bisi su gi agreement di bu reba adu adumuk urusu moi busi phang ngamdre akoi CM na 15 days nasai haibugum na matam bire numai si hallo si maka han de koi dum action lo ni na adu bu khang do na ujik kuki narcotic terrorist moi si na sophisticated weapon laudna innocent bo dum hard le re asidi ira war su na te sidi war hai bisidi numai pai mi group ani hum dum battlefield da ama ma da kapnang ne ba adu wedi kis kai de ba mi sirusu injured versu adu innocent lau chabe mi botum ambush tawduna kap le bisi ta bisi poni yam soi adu aina hai bisi ai si po chawang ne ai ling mai community digini naga ai koi bu selectively ujik foothills live mi minorities scattered khun lai mi si bu dum hen na target tawra moi gi life si dum lawra le kuki terrorist si si gi matang dai hai ning si 6 brothers si griba manung da justice yam delay we si dirty politics number 1 gi demak ne akoi gi politicians dirty politics sana le re adugi uji ujan haibu ko mana corruption so yam henjin gre aina Senapati da atai district su veramai du tu komsi gi June ka July ki makada all over Manipur 16 districts sida anganwadi recruitment declared hoiba adu sida koi you try for change pachana you khun so koi members ngai ba ko na information phang basi anganwadi worker miyamada post gidmak da bribe do basi 1,20,000 this is politicians lauriye adoga helper ki post ki 50 to 70,000 lauriye ba. Just imagine the most socio-economically poor family the lakba apply the missing 1,20,000 50 60,000 adam bribe the receipt boy kadai the paisa mo hanbig ni adu su angan udi high the lowest government honorary post per month 5,000 6,000 phangni 1,20,000 mo ga repay taw ba interest ga loan launa ujik politician pi rebisi matam kyam chakra si moi si kyam wagra. So I think time has come for our people, the indigenous, especially the indigenous Maitais and Nagas and Pangals to come together, put our heads together. Haibsidi, ujik cookies in moina sumana narcotic terrorist groom dora moina thambasi ai koi gi Manipur thwain ngai ne ba. How badi ujik pau moigi steps ga strategy ngo moi si ujik kyamuk 2026 the village so illegal villages forest do dam khaktor ga illegally akoi law abiding forest department ne judiciary ne moi kli dori bo administrative order pig ro moi bo population so drastically do increase tor le re poppy cultivate tor le re illegal poppy adu business tor le re amoga bureaucrats to yam changre politicians to yam changre adu be akoi politicians vision of the vision like the come 10 years 20 years cohesion in control torne sisi ai thamning hai koi satra sing viewers basuka ko indigenous communities of Manipur si koi I sigi matak dai haining hai uji ki matam si koi si no NRC no census asigi si patjan campaign do tomne ching do resu dampak do resu patjan campaign do tomne sigi koi ki last survival ki sting ne si
lak sege ko huji le film sideng asigi thokriba ko gi naga ge misam mani hat khiba duga ahum buna thina so on khiba sigum batam thiba mi han haiba tare mamang du sui ko gi ukun gi litan area da su ambush to silaka na naga ge misam mani hat khiba huji phobu se ne sing pha khiba gi ke to leitri sigum ba naga ge misam sing da atamna na ko gi lanjadra ba misam sing khulai pai da ba misam sing da sum tatna sum hat pa gi thodok sit leptan tholol haiba tare tongan naga ge body sing da gi pen da ba yaning da ba tongan ba ko gi total shutdown sing ba lauthon no gi sem chaba du social media sing dai ko gi ida mo ko gi agitation me am lauthok ki ko lei hai ba tare changsi leba khongjang sing adu ga tholiba thodok sing si kama yeng be
huji ka koina ko gi uzan haiba gumna central government gre adu huji sarkar chen niba function to riba state leba koi chief minister lai home lai tungan ba department administrative ga judiciary handle tor leba ko
yes
so ago irang si uji yeng di series of crimes committed by the cookie terrorists illegal narcotic terrorists hai tare agoi tonglau pi da angang ani rocket na kablu mo hatba do April 7 2026 amoga May 13 da Tadau Pastor Singh moi chura champodi ki hanlakpada cookie kun mayai da mo hatba ado su cookie terrorist ado 6 naga sing bo mo May 13 June da mo hatba May 13 da mo hatba ado kan na koi JNMs da moi ki victimized family sing si ujik pau ngasi pau kaplaga pray dauraga phamlaga justice phangra ga ngai ga le ka si pau moi body si ujik moi ki chopped dismembered body si ujik komsa khol pucha tri ba justice ngai re ba adu gi matak da ngasi 7:30 da langkang namuga cookie sing na 50 cookie terrorist KNF go moising na laglaga 50 with sophisticated weapons when laglaga farmers in bodum attack the city akoi na yaring de haibisi akoi masi haidok batare akoi ki indigenous communities Manipur laiba Maitai Wisnu, Pangal Wisnu, Naga Wisnu, asigi series of crimes against innocent unarmed civilians attacked over city. Karamaina security adumogina state employed or lay how the receipt of 50,000 plus copra singlay. Adu kuisi kun khanda busi kari ki damak da free hand moi busi piribra.
Yes.
10 days, 15 days, ako CM na warning period lare noigi colliding si mong haloy na ko. 15 days warning period lare du busi sugi makat laiba suspension of operation cookie terrorism sophisticated weapon laiba singsi kri free hand pi braiba. What is happening to our Indian security forces? They are capturing the weapons but not arresting the terrorist. Ako 6 Naga brothers si gribasi hard karbasi moi kadang na hard drive se meming so loina lilion wifi gi khun gi min ha tok raba adu list lai presu ngasi posu ama arrest hoena thadri ba ko adu gedama a big question to the present chief minister of Manipur and also the home what is happening to your law and order? Why our indigenous population in Manipur are being so much criminalized and so much killed in broad daylight? Sisi hangai moin answer to ninga yam serious question delay koi satra singbo ko adu ay thamge do.
Yes. Hojik lady film sida khoi lady yellow proof sing da tadana landarak laba sifau da lady lengak sina local liba thong sing peningai oide haiba wafon duni makata basi uja form da laksake uja hojik lady film sida khoi ukhul gi area da security force sing da khoi attack to ki bagi damuk tadi kudak ta hen security force sangsil lakanda ko operation cha thaduna mi fabu singba myam ma tawki haba tare tawbodabu tongan ba khogi litan area da khogi cookie singna naga gi misam halaba adu kanga sisu khogi cookie singna na adu su masak khanglaba khogi KNFP Kambuna hat pani haina phone haira basi phawba hojik phawda operation tawra khudak ta senari bising phaba ngamdaba sigumba Manipur linga kamti security forcing gi tawriba thawong je kamai yingbe
akoi state da irang hek da tokbada TGP su lere anoba ma ba point out gre
yes
yam sing na experience leba hana experience laura hojik akoi gi irang marak da laklaga jana security singbu direction pi dona terrorist haibisi mothong ningai moi taw bi ai taw gerdi adu ko na genta da basi sugi makada innocent moi bu freely sophisticated weapon adum lau chabe bi bedum kapasi sugi agreement di buroba adu muk urusu moi busi phang ngamdre akogi CM na 15 days nasai haib gumna matam bire nungmai si hallo si makada hande de koi dum action laurani na adu bu khang do na ujik cookie narcotic terrorist moisi na sophisticated weapon laudna innocent bo dum hard lere asidi ira war su nate sidi war hai bisidi nungmai pai mi group ani hum dum battlefield da amama da kapnang ne ba adu wedi kis kai de ba mi sirusu injured rusu adu innocent lauchabe mi bo dum ambush taudna kap le bisidi ta bisidi poni yam soi adu aina hai bisi ai si po chawang ne ai ling mai community digini naga ai koi bu selectively ujik foothills live me minorities scattered kun live me si bu dum hen target taroga moi gi life si dum laura lere cookie terrorist si gi matang da hai mi si 6 brothers si griba manungda justice yam delay were si dirty politics number 1 gi demak ne akoi gi politicians si dirty politics sana lere adugi uji ujana hai bu ko mana corruption so yam henjin gre aina Senapati da atai district su veramai du tu komsi gi June ga July gi makada all over Manipur 16 districts sida angan wadi recruitment declared hoiba adu sida koi you try for change pachana you kun so koi members ngai ba ko na information phang basi angan wadi worker miyamada post gi damak da bribe do basi 1,20,000 this is politicians lauriye adoga helper ki post ki 50 to 70,000 lauriye ba just imagine the most socio-economically poor family digi lakba apply do missing 1,20,000 50,000 60,000 adum bribe do receipt moi kadai digi paisa mo hanbig ni adusu angan udi high receipt lowest government honorary post per month 5,000 6,000 phangni 1,20,000 mo ga repay taw ba interest ga loan launa uji politician pi rebisi matam kyam chakrak ba si moi si kyam wagra. So I think time has come for our people, the indigenous, especially the indigenous Meiteis and Nagas and Pangals to come together, put our heads together. Hay sidi, uji cookies in moina sumana narcotic terrorist groom dor moina thambasi, ay koi gi Manipur thwain ngai ne ba. How badi uji po moigi steps ga strategy ngo, moisi uji kyamuk 2026 the village so illegal villages forest do dum khaktorga illegally akoi law abiding forest department ne judiciary ne moi kri doribo administrative order peak ro moibo population so drastically do increase tor lere poppy cultivate tor lere illegal poppy adu business tor lere amoga bureaucrats to yam changre politicians to yam changre adu bedi akoi politicians vision of the vision like the come 10 years 20 years cookies na ain control tor ni sisi ai thamning hai koi satra sing viewers basuka ko indigenous communities of Manipur si koi I sigi matak dai haining hai uji ki matam si koi si no NRC no census asigi si patjan campaign do tomne ching do resu dampak do resu patjan campaign do tomne sigi koi ki last survival ki sting ni si hai.
Thank you. Fazaba wakaloni makata si uja arke form lo laksage uja hojik le film si dai khoi leingak sina yam thu noi khoi gi santi la na ba adu ga sai su khoi gi kulai sing lo khun na bi matam tha kim na sing bai khoi gi 50 lagas ki matung da lo khol ani hai ba adu ga wafam sing lai khir matung da leingak na santi la na ba hona ba thugai ri ba kangbu si kana no hai ba si hojik phong na thorak na bra hai ba si sumi am ge so bo hang ne center le ma di state leingak na hojik aikhat li ba ma khoi na kari tawra ga di khoi gi sigum ba irang si lo shin ma da ke na kumang chawshin gani hai ba oja kroi bono jai sai sat
music si aina khanba sidi situation yenglaga akoi gi Manipur state sida run the river government hai bitara moisi stability kris laite self dependence kris laite center de gi remote way na dum sanar le re akoi gi praja sing de du gi ma ta war le re ba decision tok de gi ma ta akoi peace where so there should be a logical conclusion for the interests and welfare of the people, indigenous people of Manipur. Neutrality where so political decisions yam strong law yam dakale. Irang hek the irang to 2023 sida mai taiga kukim rak the thok sida naga sing neutrality maintain the way. Adu naga sing so yam alan petition amal hoy ba. Hai bidi kuki sing na sana basi kram chi higa asi Maitei busi tausira karamba matam sida muka naga butausira naga butaurosu moi ki DC unity kadai da lei single out taur karamba tribe busu attack taurisa moi si plan yam lei Maitei ga naga punduna henna 10 steps ahead moi si plan ga strategy yam pajina same greba uji yengdi moi ki central government makada under secretary IS officers kuki sing yamena hek da amisan meeting gaune prime minister meeting gaune akoi khang bena te khangai internal information ti pat moi WhatsApp de lakne ba adu gidama da akoi si mujik praja si yam ware Maitei wisno naga wisno asi gi matak sida koi so maina politicians bo moi gi interest moi gi greed moi gi self interest boina politics sanar di ar roi Manipur sina koi 2 MPs Lok Sabha da o Rajya Sabha da ma pirus 3 MPs akoi pina center da center de si figure na moi dum chaliye tau sabi de ba extreme corner of Manipur located near Myanmar and what is the use of giving serious importance to Manipur state for their stability haina khanale ba hana irang to 2023 after 2023 conflict amisan parliament so haibne man moina si CM mama si ai wata te dum fat change over se mo ama hape ilai le dum decision lo le re akoi gi stability akoi gi development akoi gi rights indigenous rights asi busi tau krisu sabi dre boji matam se I think last and finally, the power is in the people's hand.
Yes.
I think it's high time that our indigenous community from the hills, from the valley, Chingdalaisno, Tampaklaisno, ako si people's movement led by the youth revolution ama chatridi arroy. It's we are all fed up of this system. 100 years past, corruption ne, instability of government ne, asina koi buwaman kre. So the people's movement led by the youth si koi punna discuss tawre se. How se?
Yes.
That is labya tale dre.
Yes.
Ko asi jai thamni hai.
Jam makada adum zada question tak lak sagi hojik kogi state lengang na kogi khulai sing lokun na bagi hai ki matam da khulai si kadai kadai de lai bagi ko losil laga tham ki khulai sing hai bani adu hojik te form na singi ma form sing de mi hat pade season ra labani lokhat ka dori khulai si kadai de lai ri ge si miam na kogi nomai kap li ma form si de form na lai de hai bo wa form ni phong dong na ri sing ma tang ni kamai kogi sem bi wa form se
adugema koi state CM lai Govindas na home minister puriye law and order masini hojik si time limited dum 15 days when a pung tok re adu morning da nungmai dum han bidi we ba ko hoi adu bu sophisticated weapon ngasi pau ta ba si 50 narcotic terrorists of cookies with sophisticated weapon farmers sing bo hat libisi
yes
adu akoi state with DGP lai na 50 to 80,000 plus for security lai muisti kri responsibility lai no kadai da employed of no
yes
Kotak the 24 maka the wisik si other langkang the jaga chak kata bane pumping operation haro
Yes.
moi khang na intelligence le ako in high divida ado comprehensive hotel ka moi bodo wisik hada miani si gra memory shock pasi miani si gra miani so wisik rims te yaw gra wana airlift tawduna ado chalaga wisik ako si public si dum update law lai se ta se state government na kri pung to ga wisik DGP na kri pung to gira moi su asumana TV drugs no openly public bu update taus no ko law and order maintenance authority bu ado DGP the state laws no ado no mai to chal phadri arwai they are just violating SU agreement also in SU agreement it is to written that they should openly go and fire the farmers not wrong
Right. They're also farmer.
that's true innocent I think they have to take a step let's wait and see
Yeah.
yam phajaba ya duga hujik le film si dai khoi linga na to gode thabak thoram myam ma to bom thu tai habaduni aduga hojik ki si dai khoi youth singi role su yamna sauraba aduga film mat lak le habaduni manipur da santi langna hona bada ai khoi khuni ma ki lofam thobu thodang loduna ingtap manipur mu oina na ba hona bada ai khoi khudi mana so bu thodang lobu tangai fa da habaduni